The Celestia airdrop happened just a couple of months ago, but already if you had taken your Celestia tokens and staked them, you could start qualifying for airdrops today. And in fact, the Dimension token was recently launched, the claim is live, and people that stake Celestia tokens, even just one TIA token, as of December 19th, can qualify for the Dimension airdrop. But there's going to be a lot more where that came from, and there's a solid target for a Celestia airdrop that's actually a liquid staking token. Now, CC2, which is one of my favorite airdrop farmer personalities on Twitter or X, thinks that the MilkyWay liquid staking token for Celestia has a reasonable chance of replicating the results of the DYOR airdrop. And with the DYOR airdrop, if you had staked simply 1 or 2 SOL tokens for a period of a couple months, you qualified for a very solid amount. We're talking 5 figures. And so if you want to try and stake some tokens with MilkyWay, I'll walk you through how it works because it's quite simple. And even if you stake just a small amount, there's a reasonable chance that you can qualify for this airdrop. And since this protocol just launched, we are getting in early on the ground floor. So let's see how this works. Once you navigate to the MilkyWay app, you hit on the Stake Now button. Now, in order to stake your TIA tokens with MilkyWay, you're going to need to have a Celestia wallet, and I have Kepler and Leap installed on this browser, and both of those are good options. So I've connected my Kepler wallet to the MilkyWay app, and this is how it works. They've got a very simple interface where once you've connected your wallet, it detects the balance that you have, and you simply select how much you want to deposit, and then it will automatically be converted into liquid staking TIA tokens with the ticker symbol milkTIA. So once you select the amount that you want to stake, simply hit stake and confirm a transaction in your wallet. Now, I have staked 5 TIA tokens with MilkyWay in this wallet right here, as well as with a number of other wallets to try and maximize my qualifications for this airdrop. Once you do stake the TIA tokens, you can see the liquid staking token in your wallet under the ticker symbol milkTIA, and it will show you the balance and the actual value of them. And all you have to do is simply hold that over an extended period of time, and you will probably qualify for a MilkyWay airdrop. Now, if you do want to withdraw the stake, you can actually hit on the withdraw button, and you can withdraw it for 0% fees in 21 to 24 days. You can withdraw it immediately for a small fee, or you can actually just swap it for something else. Since it's a liquid staking token and you have it in your wallet, you can just send it to an exchange or a decentralized exchange and swap it for another token if you need to cash out. Now, if you're interested in earning an additional yield on these liquid staking TIA tokens after you've actually staked them, you can hit on the Discover tab and provide liquidity on Osmosis. And if you do want to do that, you simply connect your wallet, hit create a position. I recommend just doing the managed liquidity pools because the manual ones are a bit more complicated and you could have to come back to them regularly to rebalance them. So if you want to just set it and forget it, do the managed liquidity pool, hit next, and then simply make a deposit into this pool. However, I will say that there's no guarantee that doing this additional step will qualify you for a larger airdrop. I think that just staking and holding the liquid staking tokens is actually enough to qualify. It's possible that providing liquidity could be some sort of multiplier for the airdrop, but you do have to take an additional risk of depositing it and locking it up into this vault here. So you have to decide whether or not it's actually worth that additional risk to get 11% extra yield and maybe to qualify for some sort of airdrop multiplier. Totally up to you how far you want to take this. But the simplest step is to simply go to MilkyWay and stake some TIA tokens with them. And if the Dimension airdrop is any signal, you can actually qualify for some of these with simply 1 token. However, I do recommend putting in more than that if you can. I put 5 in this wallet, and in another wallet, I'd put 10. And for sure with 10 plus, you will qualify for this airdrop. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Good luck, stay safe out there, and make sure that you do your own research before you lock any tokens up with any of these protocols. Have a great day.